63 is the same thing as 62, right? So the very first thing we want to do is factor out the top and the bottom. Top's already factored out. The bottom, I'm going to factor that out with the x box, okay? So, or you can do it in your head if you know how to do that. X minus 3 times 2x minus 3 plus 1x. So it's going to be 2x plus 1 times x minus 3 if you actually do the x box the right way. Okay, so I factored out my denominator. What's the next step after you factor out everything?
Set the denominators equal to 0.
Right, because that you're looking for the restrictions, right? So what are my two equations to find out my restrictions?
2x plus 1 equals 0.
Right, and?
X minus 3 equals 0.
Okay, so 2x plus 1 equals 0. How do I solve this? Subtract 1. So 2x equals negative 1, and then divide by 2. So x equals? Right. All right, but we should put not equal to because it is a restriction. So x should not be equal to negative 1/2. And then what is the other restriction?
X does not equal negative 3.
Right, x does not equal negative 3. So those are your two restrictions.
X does not equal positive 3.
Oh, whoops, x not equal positive 3. I just wrote down what you said. X not equal positive 3, right. So then, now we have to simplify. So do you see any common terms on the top and the bottom? X minus 3. So I cancel those out. And when you cancel something out completely, notice how there's nothing on the top, right? What's left there actually, though?
1.
It's 1. It's not 0. If it was 0, then the whole thing would be 0. When you divide something by itself, which is what you're doing when you're canceling out, a 1 is left. So what's your final answer? 1 over 2x plus 1.